Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of blogging and exploring strategies for monetizing your blog to generate passive income. Blogging has evolved from a hobby to a lucrative business opportunity, allowing individuals to earn income while sharing their passion and expertise with the world. In this video, we'll uncover various monetization methods for bloggers and provide actionable tips to help you create a sustainable passive income stream from your blog. Let's dive in. Blog monetization involves earning income from your blog through various revenue streams. These can include display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling digital products, and more. Let's explore different monetization methods and how you can implement them on your blog. The foundation of successful blog monetization is a high-quality blog with valuable content and engaged readers. We'll discuss strategies for creating compelling content, optimizing your blog for search engines, and building a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations and engages with your content. The next step is choosing the right monetization methods for your blog. We'll explore different monetization options such as display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling digital products, and membership subscriptions, and how to select the methods that align with your niche and audience preferences. Display advertising involves displaying ads on your blog and earning revenue based on ad impressions or clicks. We'll discuss ad networks such as Google AdSense, Mediavine, and AdThrive, and how to optimize ad placement and ad formats to maximize your ad revenue without compromising user experience. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services on your blog and earning a commission for each sale or referral made through your affiliate links. We'll explore strategies for finding profitable affiliate programs, disclosing affiliate relationships, and creating content that converts readers into customers. Sponsored content involves partnering with brands or advertisers to create content that promotes their products or services. We'll discuss how to negotiate sponsored partnerships, disclose sponsored content to your audience transparently, and create sponsored content that aligns with your brand and resonates with your audience. Selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or digital downloads is another lucrative monetization strategy for bloggers. We'll explore how to create and promote digital products, set pricing strategies, and deliver value to your customers through your digital offerings. Membership subscriptions allow you to offer premium content or exclusive perks to subscribers in exchange for a recurring fee. We'll discuss how to create a membership program, provide value to your members, and foster a sense of community and belonging among your subscribers. Diversifying your revenue streams is essential for building a sustainable income from your blog. We'll explore strategies for diversifying your income sources, balancing short-term and long-term revenue streams, and adapting to changes in the blogging and online landscape. Analyzing performance metrics and iterating your strategies is crucial for optimizing your blog monetization efforts. We'll explore key metrics to track, such as traffic, engagement, conversion rates, and revenue, and how to use this data to refine your monetization strategies and maximize your earnings. In conclusion, monetizing your blog offers a fantastic opportunity to generate passive income while sharing your passion and expertise with the world. By following these strategies and staying committed to providing value to your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream from your blog and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching.